The Medical Marketing and Media Awards combines both creativity with results. So as judges, we're looking for submissions that do both of those.
What the entry form is trying to do is to help elicit from you the story and the pathway you went through from that first brief all the way through to the execution and the results.
You're grabbing from here, you're grabbing from here, give me the creative, I need the research, what are the sales, what are the clients, you're pulling all the stuff together. But if you could just stop and say, what is my story?
It's when that story all comes together and that picture is painted completely that we know this is going to be, a top 1, 2, 3, or 4 entry.
Start early. Don't wait till the night before. Be clear and concise in your submission. Let the judges know what led you to this work. What was the insights? What was the situation? And what was the process to get you to the end result? Make sure that whatever you're submitting belongs in that category.
Don't hang your hat on just one form of communication. Think about how all of those different pieces of the submission work together to illustrate the overall story that you're trying to tell. The judges are looking at the business impact that your campaign had on a brand.
Each table is multidisciplined, so there's always usually a client, there's an ad agency person, there's an analytics person, so make sure you realize that you're going to have experts at your table.
As a judge, I really appreciate 3 things: a great storyline, fabulous creative, and a well put together piece without mistakes.
The MM&M Awards, I think, are one of the highest honors in our industry. We want to see who has been the best of the best in their categories.
I've been a judge for the MM&M Awards for many years, and I'm looking forward to this year being the best set of entries we've ever received.